Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are very good. So in this video I am going to explain about the 5th standard EVS 1 chapter 1. So the chapter name is our earth and our solar system. Okay. So already we know what is meant by earth. We all are living on earth only. Okay. And we know the solar system also little bit, not more. We know about solar system also so little bit. But in this chapter we are going to discuss about the brief information about earth as well as solar system. Okay. So what is meant by solar system? Okay. And what are the planets? So these all things we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let us start chapter. When we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. In a clear night sky, we can see many stars. They are very far away from Earth. Okay, so when we are standing in a ground, okay, you are every day you are going to ground for playing, na? Okay, so at that time, in night time, you have to observe this thing. Okay, you have to see the sky in the night time, so we can observe so many stars are there in the sky. Okay, so but that stars are very far from the earth. That means it is very far from us. Okay, some stars are prominent while some are tinty and faint. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle, but some do not. Okay, so some stars are big and some stars are very small, and some stars are medium size. Okay, and here important thing is what. So some stars are twinkling. Twinkling means blinking. It's blinking. Okay, light, how light is off and on. Okay, so like that stars also twinkling. Okay, so but some stars are not twinkling like that. Okay, the sun and the moon are comparatively close to earth. Okay, so the sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth. So daily morning we are observing the sun, and night time we are observing the moon. Okay, why we are observing sun and moon? Okay, how we are getting sun and moon? So because these sun and moon are very near to the earth. Okay, so that's why we can see sun and moon. So we can see their round shapes clearly. So because of this reason, so this sun and moon is near to the earth now. So that's why we can this sun and moon are visible to us. We can see that sun and moon also. So clear shapes. It is in round shapes. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. All are heavenly bodies. So what are the bodies having? Like sun, moon, stars, planets. So these all are in space. So that's why these bodies we call as what? Heavenly bodies. Okay, so these all are in space. So that's why we call as it is a heavenly bodies. Okay, so here they are given small activity to you. Observe the sky on two clear nights, keeping a gap of about a week between them. Base your observation on the following points. Okay, so here what they are saying, you have to observe the moon. Okay, you have to observe the night time in two nights. That means suppose this Sunday you have to observe the night how it is. So moon is bright or not, and the stars are twinkling or not. We have to observe that things. And again after 14 days, okay, after 14 days you have to observe again night. Okay, again another night you have to observe. So what difference you will get? So you have to write that points. Okay, so what are the points you have to write? The brightness of the heavenly bodies. Is there any difference in the brightness of moon at that first night as well as the second night? You have any differences? Okay, so you have to write that. And whether they twinkle, so that stars are twinkling or not. And the color and size. So what are the colors you observed in that two nights? What are the colors you observed? And what is the size of moon and what is the size of stars you observed? You have to write that. Changes in their positions. Okay, is there any changes in their position or same position they are in? So that we have to write these all things. We have to write for your after observation. On the both nights, draw a picture of the illuminated portion of the moon and note how it changes from the day. Okay, so in that both nights, first when you observed moon in first night, okay, so that day how shape of the moon, okay, you have to draw on one notebook. And the second time when you are observing in the night time, na, so that time also you have to observe the moon. What is the shape that you have to draw that one also in notebook. Okay, stars. Next one is what? Stars. Next topic, stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Okay, stars have their own light. So which bodies are twinkling, that means on and off. Okay, so that stars we call as what, that twinkling heavenly bodies we call as a stars. Okay, so stars having their own light. Okay, that means what, it will be, it having the own light. Suppose we all are living on earth. Okay, so earth not having the own light. When sun will come, then only we will get the light, so that we call as a daytime. But stars are not like that. Every time it having the their own light. Okay, the sun is a star, the sun also is a star. It is closer to us than any of the other stars. Compared to all others stars, so sun is very near to the earth. Sun is very near to the earth. Hence it appears in, hence it is appears big and brilliant. So because of this reason, so the sun, we can observe the sun, sun will be visible to us very big in size also. Why? Because what is the reason? Because it is near to us, so that's why it is a very big size we can see. In its bright light during the day, in its bright light during the day, we cannot see other stars. Okay, so because of sun brightness, in daytime also moon is there, stars also there, but because of brightness of sun, we can't see that remaining stars, like stars, what are the other planets, or what are the moon having, so we can't see because of the sun. Okay, next one, planets, the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. So which bodies, which space bodies are not twinkling, that means they don't have their own light, so that we call as a planets. So that we call as what, planets. Planets do not have light of their own, so these planets are not having their own light. Okay, so it cannot on and off, it don't have the own light also. They get light, they get light from the stars. So how these plants are getting light from the other stars, it will get the light. Plants revolves, sorry, planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. Okay, so planets are revolving around a star even as they rotate around themselves. That means what, how how moon, earth is rotating itself, so like that these planets also rotating itself, as well as these planets are rotating with other planets also. Okay, the next one, the solar system. See here, this is the sun. Sun is very hot body. That means what, heavy high temperature having. Okay, so always it is bright only. So when the sun is because of sun, we can't see the other planets also in morning time. Okay, next one, in the daytime. Then the solar system, our earth is a planet. Okay, our earth is also one of the planet. It gets its light from the sun. Okay, where we are getting light, from where we are getting light, from the sun. So that's why when sun came, so we will get in the daytime. When sun uh, do not appear, so that time we will get the night time. It moves around the sun, so earth also moving itself, as well as it's moving around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of earth. Okay, its movement around the sun is called the revolution of earth. So how earth rotating itself, as well as it rotating around the sun, so that we call as a, that we call as what, revolution. That process we call as what, revolution. Besides the earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. Okay, not only earth, remaining other 7 planets also around the sun. That means that 7 planets also rotating around the sun. Okay, they are, so what are the planets names? Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the 7 planets. Okay, so these all are so rotating around the sun. Okay, and see here, what is this photograph? Okay, this is the earth. Okay, so this picture is taken by satellite only. This picture is taken by who? Man-made satellite. Satellite meant, you know na, satellite means what, how we are getting the TV signals, how we can see cartoons, news, uh, pictures, how we are getting, because of the using satellites only. Okay, so that picture also taken by the satellite, and that satellites also made by who made? Man. Okay, next one, every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. Okay, so every planet, it should be revolving around the sun Okay, so but it is having the one particular path. Path means what? One particular way. Okay, one particular way having. So in that way only it will surrounding. Okay, this path is known as the planet's orbit. So that way, that path, what we call orbit. What is that? Orbit. The sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolves around it all together are called the solar system. Okay, so what is the sun and what are the planets around the sun? So the total planets we call as what? Solar system. So the total planets we call as what? Solar system. So besides the planets, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Okay, so planets also called as a solar system, and some remaining other bodies also having in the solar system. So what is that other bodies? Let us see. Other heavenly bodies in the solar system. So what are the heavenly bodies having in other solar system? First one is satellites. Okay, some heavenly bodies revolve around the planets. Some other bodies also around the revolving around the planets. So that bodies we call as what? Satellites. These are called satellites. Satellites too get their light from the sun. So even satellites also getting light from where? Sun only. We see the moon at night. Okay, so when we can see the moon only night time. Daytime moon will not appear. It revolves around the earth. So moon also revolve around the earth. See here, earth is rotating itself as well as it is rotating around the sun. So that we call as a revolution. Here moon also rotating itself as well as it is rotating around the earth. Hence it is called as a satellite of the earth. Okay, so that's why it is we call as a satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. So many planets, like what are the planets having? Jupiter, Mars, um, next one is Neptune. Okay, so what are the planets having in the space? So that all are having their own satellites. So that we call as a solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the sun. The moon, the planets around the sun. So these planets all are around the sun along with their satellite. Okay, so according to this their path, it is rotating around the sun. Okay, so next one is dwarf planets. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. Not only a planet, some other small bodies also uh, rotating around the sun. Okay, so revolving means rotating. Okay, revolving around the sun. So that type of bodies, that type of small heavenly bodies we call as what? They are called dwarf planets. Of these, the most well known is Pluto. So in these planets, which one is the important one? Pluto. Which one? Pluto is the important one. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun. Okay, so these planets are not depending on other planets. It's depending on their own path only. They have an own. They have an orbit of their own. So it having their own path and it's rotating in that route only, in that path only. Okay, next one, asteroids. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. Okay, see here. See here, so this is the solar system. So this is the solar system. Okay, so here Jupiter is there and here Mars is there. Okay, Mars is here and Jupiter is here. So what are the small particles or small planets having in between the Mars and Jupiter? So that we call as the asteroids. See here. So here, so these are what? Asteroids. These are what? Asteroids. See here how how sun is getting bright. Okay, so when it is getting brightness, so we can't see the other planets also. Okay, so this is the asteroids. So uh, what are the planets in between the Mars and Jupiter? So that we call as what? Asteroids. Okay, next one. Compared to the sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. So in this solar system, see here. So in this solar system, which one is the big planet? Okay, sun. Remaining all are small. Compared to the sun, remaining all planets are small, and sun only is the biggest one. And the moon is closest to the earth. So which one is the closest to the earth? See here. So sun is here. Sun is here. and earth is here and moon is here, small one is there now, so that is moon. So which one is the near to the earth? Moon is very near to the, very close to the earth. Close means near to the earth. That is why it appears to be so big, although it is actually very much smaller than the sun. So that's why, so it is, this moon is very far from the sun na? This moon is very far from the sun na? So that's why it look like as a very small planet. Okay, so it look like a very small planet. Okay. Next one, a diagram of the solar system is given below. In it, you see the sun in the center, the heavenly bodies that revolves around it and their orbits. The planets, satellites, dwarf planets, and asteroids are all are part of the solar system. Okay, so this is the diagram of solar system. Okay, so this diagram also taken from the satellite only. Okay, so this is also taken the photograph from where? Through the satellite only. Okay, see here, here it is a sun, and the remaining, these all are what? Remaining planets. Okay, so here Jupiter is there, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Mars, Moon, Earth, Venus, Mercury, some asteroids also there. So these all are what? We call as a solar system, and these planets having their own path also. See here, this one is there na? So this line, so this is a path. Path means what? Rotating in this path only, it will rotating in this path only. See here, so these are rotating in this path only. This we call as what? Orbit. So this part, this we call as what? Orbit. This path we call as what? Orbit. Okay, and which one is the very far from the sun? So this is the Pluto. So that's why it is a dwarf planet, that means very very smallest planet. Okay, so this is the solar system. Okay, so this is the first part. This is the first part of this chapter. Okay, if you want second part of this chapter or continuation of this chapter, you have to subscribe my channel. Okay, and see the second video also. Okay, if you like my videos, if you like my teaching, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and relatives. Thank you, students.